Honorable Premier, a forgotten district in this province, I don't know for whatever reason that is forgotten, Umzinyathi district. It is the source of criminality in this province, in the country at large. Almost every hitman you get gets recruited from. These are youngsters where the polygamy, it's a culture, it's a common thing. Just go around and find any boy that comes from there, you ask them, who's your father? They say, my father is so and so, I don't know my father. My father gave birth to myself and 2 siblings, and he had also another wife with another family, and he went to Johannesburg, he worked in the mine, he never came back. And we grow up, we have to fend for ourselves, we have to figure out how to navigate this life. And while on that, you also get a who comes, and when the father dies, and made your mama pregnant, and forget about these children of his brother. And so when these boys grow up, they grow up not knowing what to do, and they get recruited. They get recruited and they end up committing crime. So that's what we've seen most of the time when we analyze our crime. So what we see happening in our crime, it is because of somewhere where we are not fixing a problem. We are dealing with the outcomes. We're not analyzing the root causes of why people do what they do. And we have to go back into that and deal with it.